YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at investments. We're going to look at fodder investments, team of the week investments, road to the final investments, and cards that are potentially getting a team of the week, investing in them because they're going out of packs investments. We're going to look at trading. Trading was so easy today. I said today on stream, this was one of those days when trading, this is where you're going to be making your first 500K, your first mil. You need to really hop on trading today, and we'll talk about that and maybe if you can still do it tomorrow. And we're going to look at the next promo potentially and kind of see what it may end up being and how it can move the market. But before we talk about all that, we got to look into content today on Tuesday. If you want to have millions of coins in FIFA 23 like me, go to u7buy.com for cheap, fast, and reliable FIFA coins. Make sure you use code TEDDY at checkout to get 5% off your order. Link is in the description down below. Content today on Tuesday was dry. It was sad. So we got nothing. We got no special SBC, no hero SBC, nothing. Literally nothing. The trend lately from EA has been Monday and Wednesday they release good SBCs. So we're probably going to get some sort of decent SBC tomorrow on Wednesday. Maybe I would guess it's anywhere between the 83 to 86 overall range for whatever gets required. They usually don't go higher than that. The only time they ever go higher than those ratings is if it's like an icon or a hero, but I don't see us getting an icon or a hero SBC on a Wednesday. I don't see that. So, I have to burp, excuse me. We got this SBC though, the Liverpool versus Real Madrid final. Now, I said to sell. I said sell before content. That's what I was telling people to do. Liverpool players were like 800, 900,000 coins when I was saying to buy them, and they were up at 1,600 coins. And I said before content on Discord, on Twitch when I was streaming, I said multiple times, sell before content, because if they don't get required, they're going to come crashing down in price. And even if they do get required, they might go down in price because overinvestment. These cards went from 800 coins to 1,600 coins because people were thinking they were going to get required. So that's why I said, you might want to sell before content. They didn't get required. They came down in price, most of them, but the thing is, not most of them actually. This SBC required 11 rare golds, and it made rare golds do really, really good. So like the center backs from Liverpool did good. Anything that fit this, any like left mid, center back, goalkeeper, right mid, right wing, left wing, striker, they went up in price. I threw out a bunch of filters. I went through them all on Twitch and I posted them all in the VIP Discord. By the way, we have a VIP trading Discord. If you want to join it, all you have to do is subscribe to the Twitch channel. If you have Amazon Prime, you can subscribe for free every single month and join the VIP trading Discord every single month for free. But I sent a bunch of filters out. So basically what I did was, all right, center backs, there's 3. I'm going to go look at center backs. And I went gold rare and I went through the top nation center backs. And I just kind of went like this. And I was seeing, all right, which ones are expensive? England center backs are expensive. France center backs are expensive. Germany, not Italy. And I just kind of went through like that. And I was like, okay, hop on these nations, get on bids. And it was crazy. You could be getting center backs, gold rares that were selling for like 1,800, 2,000 coins. You could get them on bid for really, really cheap. I was winning all my gold rares for like 650, 700, 750, 800. I didn't go crazy on it because, I like to keep those filters for all of you guys. Like for me, I could care less. I'll find the filters and then boom, I'll let you guys do it. So I did France center back. I was winning Upa's min price. I think it's like 1,100. So I was getting him for 1,100. I was getting Neto for like 750, 800. I was getting Saliba for 700. I got a couple, I think, for 650. And then I looked at left wing Premier League. I was getting Sinistera. No one was bidding on this dude. I was getting him for like 700 coins and selling for 1,700. It was stupid. And it, as you can see, it was really, really easy to do. So tomorrow, if we get another decent SBC, just hop on some filters. It was really good. I was actually shocked how amazing it was for trading. So I just kind of wanted to mention that whatever SBCs come out, just keep an eye on it. We should be getting another UCL type SBC tomorrow because in the objectives, we just had the Real Madrid versus Liverpool final. But if you look at the objective, there's another one. What's it called? It is called someone says it means 14. So for like 14 UCL trophies, I think for Real Madrid, that's what they were saying. So whatever that is, I bet you could trade with it pretty easily. So if you want to, maybe see what's good, you can join the stream tomorrow. I'll be talking about it. And I'll probably be talking about filters you guys can do to make some coins. There was that. People made a ton of coins on stream. If you made coins, let me know in the comments as well. I want to know how much you guys made from those filters. There were people that were just watching the stream like, Teddy, bro, I've already made like 90,000 coins, 100,000 coins on these filters. This is crazy. So there's that. 83s and 84s as well. I told you guys you could potentially buy them in yesterday's video because I said, hey, this SBC. Oh, I didn't finish going over everything. Ben Yedder, player of the month we got. He cost like 300 something K. Fairly priced. He's not super cheap, not too expensive. I think he's right where he should be. The rat is back. And yeah, that was that. But then the SBC refreshed. Where's the SBC? What's it even called? I forget what the SBC is. The 83 plus times 10. This SBC refreshed. And I said yesterday, yo, this SBC is refreshing every day. If you wanted to buy 83s and 84s, they're probably just going to keep going up in price. They were, I think 83s were like 2,500 coins at the time. These are the requirements. And I think 83s are 2,500. I forget what 84s were. I'm not too sure. But 83s are now like 3,500 coins. So that did really good there. And they're probably going to rise again tomorrow on Wednesday. Do I know if I would invest now? It's pretty freaking expensive. That's a tough one. So 83s, 84s up in price. And nothing else. So like high rated fodder is still low. How much is high rated fodder right now? Actually, 85s are 11K. 86s are below 15K. That is crazy. So we were talking about this on stream with fodder as well. It's actually kind of good that some of this high rated fodder is getting so low. And the reason why I'm saying it's good that this high rated fodder is getting so low is because no content. It's allowing fodder to get low. And because fodder is, finally getting low, it's going to give us a really good time to go all in and invest a lot of coins again. So I'm excited for that. I'm hoping this weekend I can just send my coins into one rating. We'll see. It depends. If I'm either going all in on road to the finals this week or all in on fodder this weekend. And it probably depends on what it looks like we get leak wise for content and new promo coming out. Not sure exactly what it is. Now that we talked about fodder and what trading was like today, really good day for making coins. But let's talk about road to the final cards now. I'm so mad. I'm so freaking mad. So you guys know I wanted to go all in on road to the final Raspadori when he was like 120, 130K, but I didn't go in the game that night. I ended up spending the time with my family and with Brooke, and I didn't go on FIFA that night. So I didn't end up buying Raspadori. But I really wanted to full send him, and the reason why I didn't end up buying him when he was still like 160, 170 was because of the fact that his price range was 190K. And I mean, this is like, you can't predict this. EA usually sucks at updating price ranges. They're terrible with it. They can take forever to update a dude's price. And they did not take forever this time to update Raspadori's price, and they upped his price range, and now he's expensive. And I did the math. If I invested all my coins in Raspadori, I would have been making like 16 to 20 million coins on top of what I currently have. Like, I would have made 16 to 20 mil. So I would have been at 40, 45 million coins around there. Tough one. But like I said, you can't really predict that stuff. And UCL trading, by the way, I always tell you guys, you got to be safe with it. Especially if a card, I did a whole video on how to trade with these. If a card is expected to win, that's usually priced into the card, and they'll come down in price. So what happened with Raspadori? I think he was like 230K. He went up to, I think, 300,000 coins after Napoli scored their second goal. That's what people were saying in my chat. And then he came right back down, and now he's back at like 230. So he's just around 230, just above 230,000 coins, like 235. And I had people in my server, I knew it was going to happen. I had people in my Discord that bought him after the second goal, and they lost so many coins because they thought, oh, they won, he's going to go up. No, usually doesn't happen road to the final cards usually don't go up in price if they're expected to win. If it's like a tough game, if they're an underdog, yes, they can rise. Like Alaba versus Liverpool versus Real Madrid. That's a tough game, a really, really tough game. So Real Madrid won, Alaba goes up in price, especially because it was a blowout. It was 5-2. Real Madrid beat Liverpool 5-2. It was embarrassing. And who came down in price? Firmino came down a ton. And, you know, I always say it's safe to sell before the game or into the first goal. So you could have sold Firmino for like 2 million coins. And if you didn't sell Firmino for 2 million coins, he was actually 2.3 mil after the second goal. And I told a dude in my chat that bought him to sell him. He did for 225. 2,250,000 coins. And look at how much Firmino is now. What is he? The dude's pushing 1.1 mil. That's insane. So yeah, that's what happens with these road to the final cards. And just keep an eye. Remember that for the games coming forward tomorrow with Inter. If Inter take the lead, I'd probably sell my Barella. If they score like a second goal, they'll go up even more. But then after that, it's just down. After they win, it's down in price. But you'll have a short window to sell at that peak. And that's if Inter, you know, score over Porto. Porto's a pretty good team. So I kind of just wanted to mention that. And when it comes to investing in these cards, I could buy Raspadori tonight. I could definitely buy Raspadori tonight and, you know, hope he goes up overnight, which he very well could. But my thing is, I don't want to risk it because we've only had one Champions League marquee matchups this year. Only one. But if we do get it again tomorrow on Wednesday, that brings a lot of supply. UCL marquee matchups usually brings really good pack supply. And then the day after that is normal marquee matchups and rival rewards. And everyone's probably going to open their packs because it doesn't look like we have anything. It doesn't look like we have a new promo. We've had no leaks. So it looks like they're following exactly what happened last year. Last year, we didn't have a new promo after Road to the Final. It was Road to the Final mini release Team 2. And it was like, I think it was 5 promo cards. And that was it. Maybe it was the Silver Stars. I think it was Silver Stars as well, but those are silver cards, so it's nothing. And yeah, so I forget why I was mentioning that. Next promo talking about Road to the Final and because people were opening packs. There we go. So there was a lot of pack supply potentially. So like I said before, and like I've always been saying with Road to the Final cards, I'm waiting till Thursday. Yes, this Raspadori can rise overnight. I mean, I'm probably saying this, and this dude, watch him go to like 250, 260, 270 tomorrow, and I'm going to look like an idiot. And EA don't release champion. If they don't release Champions League marquee matchups, I'd probably want to be buying this Raspadori right now. But I'm not risking that because I don't know. I'm guessing they release I don't know. You guys know what I mean. I'm playing it safe, seeing if they release Champions League marquee matchups. And if everything looks shit, I'll just buy fodder this weekend and be like, screw it. I effed up. I didn't go all in on Friday on Road to the Finals. There's the Road to the Final section of the video. Just waiting till Thursday. Be careful if you're trading with them. You know, sell on the hype of the game or after the goal, after the first goal. Now, I want to mention another thing. I told you guys about lazy trading. I keep mentioning lazy trading and just buying cards. I think I mentioned Di Lorenzo at 60K. I'm not sure if I did, but I've been buying Di Lorenzo at 60K, selling for 65K. I think he's actually almost 65K now, so I got to up my price, but I'm making good coins there. Luke Shaw was buying for 44, 45, 46K. I've been selling for 54, 52K. And Frimpong, I definitely told you guys to buy Frimpong for 27K, lazy list for like 29.75. I actually started listing for 32K and getting good sales there. And there is all that stuff. So, Team of the Week cards. Let me just kind of mention them. I want to take a peek real quick on the prices. I'm just going on flipping. Team of the Week 16. What do we got? So, I mean, they're probably just going to keep rising. I definitely, out of all of them, Frimpong's one of the ones that's still kind of low. You might be able to buy Frimpong for like 26K. Right now, Flippin says there's a bunch of them at 27. Let's check out Frimpong real quick. I don't mind this one too much. They play on Thursday, and if his team wins, the Road to the Final Diaby SBC is still out. So a lot of people are probably going to do the Diaby SBC if they win and they go through to the next round. So I would definitely keep an eye out on Frimpong. If they win their game, a lot of people do Diaby, and if a lot of people do Diaby, that means they're going to have to link Diaby. Frimpong is a great link to Diaby. Boom, there you go. So definitely keep an eye out on that. Flippin says he's 27K. Can I actually get the market to work so I can find it out? I'm struggling a little bit. Let's see. 26 to 27K. How's that work? Come on. EA, fix your game. I just want to see the 86 overall Frimpong. Nope, I got nothing. So, there's that. I want to talk about Team of the Week as well. I told you guys to buy a few gold cards going out of packs because we looked at Footbin's Team of the Week prediction. We looked at Tadic and said, yo, Tadic is probably getting in. He was 5,400 coins at the time, maybe 5,300. How much is he now? Tadic is now 5.7. I think Tadic is confirmed to be in Team of the Week. So that's not too bad of a purchase. If you made that, you could still do it, but it's a bit riskier now. And if it is leaked, you know, a lot of people invest, and that can be a little risky there. Overinvestment. Bruno Fernandes. Let's look at him. I believe he was confirmed as well. We were buying him for, I think, 16K. And now Bruno Fernandes is 17.25. So good if you did that. And the other one that I believe is confirmed is Marco Reus. We were buying him for 12K. And now Marco Reus is 13,000 coins. So that's awesome. I would definitely hold Reus. I think I would definitely hold Tadic, and I would definitely hold Bruno. Yeah, awesome there. So there's the Team of the Week update. We talked about current Team of the Week and maybe cards going out of packs for Team of the Week. Now the next promo, I kind of mentioned it already, but the next promo, nothing's leaked. After Road to the Final is Foot Birthday, but I think before that they do some sort of like Silver Star promo where they release a bunch of crazy silver cards. I think last year we got like a silver Pogba, we got a silver, I think, Joelinton. They just released a bunch of a silver Kevin De Bruyne. They released a bunch of silver cards, so maybe we'll get that again. If you guys know what rose in price last year, I'll look into it for one of the next videos. But if you remember last year and what rose in price with that promo, let us know in the comments so we can, you know, get ready going into the next one. Like, into the next video, did silvers, meta silvers, did they rise a ton? I don't know. I haven't looked yet. I'll look for the next video, but that's something to keep an eye on. I mean, no leaks so far, so maybe that's the case. Also, if there's no promo, cards are probably going to rise on the market. If there's no promo, there's nothing. They're going to go and look at Road to the Final cards. They're going to buy them for their team. There's no new cards. They're going to go look at previous promo cards. So we'd probably see stuff on the market rise. That'd be my guess, especially the Road to the Final cards. And that is it for this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Free trading, Discord, Twitch live stream, description down below. I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.